Hi guys, I haven't seen you for a while. Yeah, I'll try to cover all the concepts through videos now. We'll try this way first. It doesn't work, I'll try to do streaming. Okay, section 9, I'll try to cover that section 9 first. I know I gave you a video, but I haven't go through, so I'll do it. If you don't need it, you don't have to watch this. Yeah, but I will try to cover section 9 and 10. Okay. Can you go to page 43? Yep, you can see this one. Yep, I'll go through quadratic formula. All you need to know, I'll just use that. Not really get used to this. Okay, quadratic formula. You need to make that form. I'll write down here. Quadratic formula. Can you copy that? We can start with the basic form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. For example, 2x squared plus 3x minus 6 equals 0. We need to make this form, the basic form. And then a is the number coefficient in front of squared. And b is in front of x, c is the number. So that's a, b, c. Therefore, a equals 2, b equals 3, c equals negative belong to next number minus 6. That's all I need to do first. And then, according to this, the formula equals minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. It would be nice you to remember this. Remember? Yep. Minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. You will use that a lot, so make sure you know that. And next, b squared minus 4ac. You probably see this later. We call discriminant and write down this way. I will cover that later, which is next section, so don't worry about it too much. I'll just focus on quadratic formula. Okay, and then move on to the next page, page 44. Okay, there's a question. 3x squared minus 8x minus 9 equals 0. Let's try that question. All I need to do, go and figure out what is a, what is b, what is c. In this case, a equals 3, right? b equals minus 8, c equals minus 9. Hopefully that's easy. And then x equals, we put minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Let's plug that in. In this case, b is minus a, so minus 8 plus minus, I'll just show you the whole thing. Square root is easy to make mistake here. b squared minus 8 squared minus 4a 3c minus 9 over 2a is 3. So it is nice to write that down actually. And then equal 8 plus minus 64, always positive number, plus minus minus plus, and 108, isn't it? Yep, 108 over 6. And then a plus minus square root 1271 over 6. Can we cancel things out here? Yes, look like it. Let's go 172 This is even number, so I can divide by with 2, 2, 8, 6, and 2, 43. Can I go further? No. Oh, we have 2 2's there, which means 8 plus minus 2 can come out over 43. Over 6, we can divide by with 2. 4 plus minus square root 43 over 3. Am I? Yep, correct. So you got the 2 answers there. Are you guys with me? Oh, hold on. Did I cover everything here? Can't really see this, isn't it? Yeah. So that's easy enough for you. I'll go to next page. And then next one, a slightly different one. Can you see that? Okay. 2x squared minus 2kx plus 4k equals 0. Oh, they said use quadratic formula. So we need to use quadratic formula. So the first, figure out what is a, b, c. However, in this case, I can see 2, 2, 2. Oh, looks like I can divide by with 2. Since this is 0, divide by 2. We'll make x squared. You don't have to, you can actually solve it straight away. Minus kx, but if I do it, it's much easier. 2k equals 0. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. 0 divided by 2 equals 0. So that's why I can do this. And then using quadratic formula, you always figure out what is a. What is a, guys? A is 1. What is b is minus 1. C is 2k. K is the certain number, isn't it? So we write down this way. Oh, sorry. B equals minus k, not 1. Write down properly. And then I write down quadratic formula. X equals minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And then I'll plug in minus b makes k. I'll just do a bit faster now. B squared, k squared, minus minus, the plus I don't have to write down, minus 4ac over 2 times a is 1, therefore k plus minus k squared minus 8k over 2. And that's all I need to do. Yep, that's all they get. But go back to the question. They said use quadratic formula to solve this. We've done that. Yep, we got the same answer. Sorry. Yep. And then use our solution to solve this. How can we do that? So let's go back. I'll just use this one directly. All you need to do, you know, 2x squared minus 2kx plus 4k equals 0. And we compare these two. 2x squared plus 6x minus 12. And I realize it. K equals what? Minus 3. All I need to do, I'll just compare this. Minus 2k equals 6. And 4k equals minus 12 from here. And I realize it. K equals minus 3. K equals minus 3. All the same. So I can use k is minus 3. So all I need to do, going back to this question, minus 3 plus minus k minus 3 times minus 3, 9, minus 8 times minus 3 plus 24 equal over 2. Therefore, minus 3 plus minus 32 3 over 2. Hold on. Why is plus here? No, it shouldn't be. It should be minus here. So that's what you're going to get. Oh, can you see that? Good. Next one, I solved it here already, so I'll just go to this. I did that. Make sure you use that page 44 to complete that. Example 1. It's a bit difficult. How are you going so far? Do you understand? I mean, obviously I can't communicate with you. I should have coffee time. Let's do that question 1. It's a bit awkward. We should be alright. We'll get used to it, don't we? Solve x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Okay? All you need to do, the first thing, what do you need to do? Yes, you need to figure out what is A, B, C. And also, they will ask you using quadratic formula. Oh, but in this case, they didn't ask you, and I can see 3, 2. X plus 3, x plus 2 equals 0. Therefore, x plus 3 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0. Therefore, x is minus 3, or x is minus 2. You can figure that out. However, question 2. Shouldn't be too fast. Question 2, we have x squared plus 8x plus 5 equals 0. 5, 1 doesn't work. Okay, x. Can I factorize it? Any highest common factor? No, I can't factorize it. Then what option we have? Yes, we can use quadratic formula. All I need to do, I need to figure out what is A, B, C. It always works. A is in this case, yes, 1. What about B? A, good. C, 5. This is easy question. And all I need to do, x equals minus b plus minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So let's do that. X equals, what should we get here? Minus b minus 8 plus minus b squared 64 minus 4ac over 2a. Minus a plus minus 64 minus 20 over 2 minus a plus minus, don't forget plus minus, 44 over 2. Looks like I can simplify with 2. 44 is 4 times 11. So it's 2 times 2. It can come out. Therefore, minus a plus minus 2, 11 is 2 times 2 over 2. I'll cancel everything out. Minus 4 plus minus square root 11. Oh, 2 is gone. So that's the answer. Minus 4 plus minus root 11. So I can write down x equals minus 4 plus square root 11, or x equals minus 4 minus this. So we got 2 solutions. Well, I didn't really cover, but when we go back, I said that discriminant is bigger than 0. In this case, yes, that's bigger than 0. So how many solutions we have? We got 2 solutions. I'll talk about that next chapter. So we'll leave it there, but you can see that. And next question, oh, it's done. Okay, it's pretty simple. All right. You can make sure you know how to use your calculator. Just go through, and every time when you solve it, you can just confirm it. Okay? I mean, I'm not gonna go through this, it's all there, but you must know how to use calculator. You will see calculator part. May as well continue section 10. Gee, going fast, isn't it? So, section 10. Hopefully you're following me. Discriminant, which is, I write down this way. That's discriminant equals b squared minus 4ac. This is from quadratic formula, where quadratic formula x equals what? Minus b plus minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a, wasn't it? Yes. And that inside part we call discriminant. And it has the characteristic, it's actually really important to see how many solutions we may have. We can actually guess it through just looking at discriminant. Alright, I'll use this booklet directly. Go to page 47. And yep, you highlight that or write it down in your exercise book. Yep. And then there's a discriminant can be used to determine how many roots. When they said roots, which means solution is equal. Roots equals solutions. Oh, give me a neck of an equation exists. Okay, let's go. Discriminant is 0, 1.